What if I told you? The next crypto boom won't come from a coin. It won't be another Bitcoin. It won't be some random token going viral. The real winners of 2026? Their entire industry is being rebuilt on blockchain. And right now, most people are looking in the wrong place. Today, I'll show you 3 sectors quietly exploding and why smart investors are watching them early. Relatable context. Back in the early days of crypto, people made money just by buying coins. But the market has matured. Now the real opportunity isn't speculation, it's technology solving real world problems. Just like the internet created Amazon, Netflix, and Google, blockchain is now creating its own wave of industries. Let's break them down. Sector number 1, AI plus blockchain, the power combo. Artificial intelligence is already changing everything. But there's a major problem: AI is centralized. A few companies control the data and the models. That's where blockchain comes in. Blockchain adds transparency, ownership of data, decentralized computing, trust without middlemen. Together, AI plus blockchain creates systems where users own their data, developers share computing power, and AI becomes open, not controlled. This is huge for healthcare, finance, automation, and cybersecurity. Think about it like this: AI is the brain, blockchain is the trust layer, and industries don't grow without trust. Sector number 2, Real-World Asset, RWA, Tokenization. This might be the biggest shift nobody is talking about. Right now, owning assets like real estate, art, stocks, or commodities requires banks, brokers, and heavy paperwork. Tokenization changes that. It turns real-world assets into digital tokens that can be checkmark fractionally owned, checkmark traded globally, checkmark settled instantly, checkmark accessible to anyone. Imagine owning 1% of a New York skyscraper or investing in property without needing $100,000. Big institutions are diving in because it reduces costs, removes intermediaries, and creates global liquidity. This isn't hype, it's infrastructure. Sector number 3, Gaming plus Digital Ownership, the Gen Z Economy. Gaming is a $200 plus billion industry, but traditional games have one flaw: you don't own anything you buy. You spend money on skins or items, but they stay locked inside the game. Blockchain gaming changes the rules. Players now own checkmark in-game assets, checkmark digital identities, checkmark virtual economies, checkmark transferable items. This creates player-owned economies. For Gen Z, this feels natural. It's the shift from renting music to owning your account. When entertainment meets ownership, adoption grows fast. Why sectors matter more than coins? Here's the mistake most beginners make: they chase coins. Smart investors watch where technology is being used. Coins can disappear. Narratives can fade. Industries solving real problems grow for years. Just like the internet wasn't about websites, it was about e-commerce. Crypto is no longer about currency, it's about infrastructure. The simple takeaway: instead of asking what's the next Bitcoin, start asking what industries are blockchain transforming. The biggest wealth waves don't start loud. They start quietly, while most people are looking elsewhere. Call to action. If you want to stay ahead of financial trends, not chase them late, subscribe to Insta Profit Hacks. Here we break down money, tech, and opportunities in a way that actually makes sense. Because smart income isn't luck, it's awareness.